Hi, I'm Paul Serpuska with Optris. Today I want to talk to you about our CSvision ratio pyrometer. Witness the evolution of a non-contact temperature measurement with the CSvision. It's not just another non-contact thermometer, it's precision reimagined. The CSvision is a rugged and compact ratio thermometer engineered to take precision to new heights. The CSvision's motorized focus, optics, and an incredible optical resolution of 151 allow for seamless focusing on the desired target, bringing your temperature measurements into sharp, pinpoint focus. With CSvision's innovative video sighting and crosshair laser aligning, sensor integration becomes straightforward under any of the harsh conditions you may encounter. Clarity, no matter what the surroundings may be, the CSvision boasts a switchable, two-step brightness reduction filter, ensuring optimal viewing conditions even when working with bright objects. Setting up, aligning, and monitoring your processes have never been easier, thanks to the IR Mobile Android app or our Compact Plus Connect software. Integrate the sensor using Fieldbus interface or the analog output or input. So, are you ready to elevate your temperature measurement game? Embrace the next step in non-contact temperature measurement with Optris CSvision.